Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Welcome to Kids Stay Home.
Hello and welcome to my gallery garden. My name is Isabelle and I'm always looking for things to play with, to marvel at and to make art from. And for this last episode, I thought it was time to look again at those little weeds we picked at the beginning. Small flowers. So I want to show you what you can do with little weeds and recycled cardboard. But because it has been raining so much, today's episode will be happening inside the studio. Let's go! In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can use those tiny wild flowers to make a bouquet and use the cardboard to create a vase and an environment for them at scale. So here's my collection of plants. I have tiny little flowers, all the weeds that we looked at the first week in the first episode. I have collected those and others, and I figured this time we are going to try to make bouquet seem big and lively. So what I have is pieces of cardboard to make a tiny room from, and we'll try to figure a way, possibly through here, to put the flowers in to create the vase that we will put in the middle of living room scene. So first we do a drawing of what we think the room might look like, just a rough sketch. Then we use corrugated cardboard to make the vase and the furniture. You have to pay attention to the direction of the pipes of the corrugated cardboard, because that's where the flowers will be slotting in. Notice that spiral vase and the pipes vertical. Next, we use large pieces of cardboard to construct the room. We use slots and hole mechanism to make them hold vertical together, and we make a few more vases that hold vertical thanks to a large base. Now we draw the door and the window, a carpet, maybe an armchair, a rocking chair, using tabs and slots again to create a 3D model. So now let's see how we can assemble all our parts. First thing will be to paste our carpet. Use the same wheat paste we learned about last time. So we have that one here and this one there, and I've made the notches corresponding. So just put them in like this. Okay, we have this table, which is just a piece of cardboard which we cut along the long side of the corrugated cardboard, and we scored, so only halfway through cut allows to bend. I made a hole in the middle to accommodate our vase. There we go. The carpet in the middle of the living room. And then we have one more vase here. Nice tall standing vase. Another vase here. And our rocking chair here. I'm just putting them inside the tubes of the corrugated cardboard. There's a fern.
Hey kids, if you are inspired by today's video and decide to make something, anything, share it with us with the hashtag 3pumpkins and stand a chance to be featured in our next video. See you next time. Bye.